Everybody, we got a quick haul from Home Depot, some building supplies and a couple other things for a project, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I picked up 2 more boxes of these number 10 by 3.5 inch. They are T25 star drive screws. They're construction screws by Grip Right. I buy these quite a bit. I also got this at Home Depot as well. It's a 1/4 inch all the way to 1 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. Home Depot's doing a thing. I know that VCG Construction already touched on this. I'll leave a card up here for his channel, as well as I'll also leave a card up here for the video that he touched base on this. Home Depot is basically, what they're doing is they're getting rid of any brand that is associated with another store like Lowe's. So these Daredevil bits were basically on sale, and everything that's Bosch related is going to be removed from Home Depot. So I picked another set of these up. I have, during Black Friday, I got a set of them as well, which came with the pouch. Yeah, and this one came with 2/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, and 1 1/2. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this, cut this open, and we're just going to stick it in the pouch. I only paid $11 for this, and it was the last one that Home Depot had, because you know they put a lot of these on sale. Like this set is usually like 20, I think 29 bucks. So I figured I'd grab another set just in case. This one has, this set is a little bit bigger. This is a 12 piece. This one's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 piece. But, so. Never hurts to have a couple extra of these. Just gonna leave them in there. I'll just be mindful that they're not actually sitting in it. But yeah, I only grabbed it because they were on sale, because they were getting rid of them. And then this is a 2 foot 3/4 inch PVC. It was 2 foot. I was digging up some old sprinklers that were attached to the house way before I bought it. I took those sprinkler units out, and I needed to cap off because one of the pipes actually still has running water in it. I have no idea where the water is going or how it's getting in the pipe, but this was 2 feet, and then what I did is I cut it at this end. So I stuck it in the hole, reburied everything, and then cut it so it was right above the ground, which is where I cut it right here. So I have a little extra PVC, not a big deal. And then I put an end cap, 3/4 end cap on it. This is 3/4 PVC. It was like $1.90 something for the 2-footer and like 70 cents for the cap. Wasn't much. As well as I also picked up 4 10-foot 4x4s, and these are treated. I need to get 6 4x4 by 12 feet that I didn't get today, and then I also need to get 2x12s by 12s, so 2x12 by 12 foot. These are going to be for a project. My wife wants a structure built, like a sunshade structure built for the garden. So we're going to be using the table saw and the miter saw. If she wants to notch them or whatever, she'll let me know. But these are picked up as well. This is $72 worth of treated wood right here. The 2x12s by 12s have to be special ordered, and that's like $230 for 6 of them. And then the 4x4 by 12s, I don't think they had very many. I need 6 of those as well. And then I need to pick up some 6-inch, 1/2 inch, or 3/4 inch lags. And that's just, we're gonna do another video on it. If you guys want to see, that structure being built, let me know down in the comments. Leave your comments. Didn't get a bunch. This was all like $99, and I think $99 and like 60 or 30 cents or something. I don't remember. But my wife said 64 cents. $99.64 is what we picked up today. And this, I do like this little power cutter. It works pretty well. Makes these videos a lot quicker. That was everything that was grabbed. It wasn't a ton of stuff. We'll be grabbing more wood, and I'll do more videos like this on the other wood we get when we get all the wood we need. And then we'll start the project. Let me know if you guys want to see that project and the tools in use. And I appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace.